Hello, my name is Alvin Chan. I've been a game designer for 8 years for 2 startup companies. My proposal is tries to solve 2 problems currently in the game industry. One is capacity building, and the other is IP drought, or intellectual property drought. The proposal is to do an experimental studio where the workforce is primarily on-the-job trainees. But we'll be working with people that have worked in the industry for a long time to mentor these trainees so that we can build capacity. And these OJTs will work for one session. There will be one IP or one intellectual property, therefore increasing the chance of creating a hit IP that will solve the IP drought. What I need 1 mentor artist, 2 student developers, 2 student artists, and 1 marketer.
Hi, I'm Edmund. So here's my idea. So one of the biggest problems right now we're experiencing in our country is actually the high crime rate that we have. But as IT or business professionals that we are, so what can we really do to help our community to solve these problems? So my answer is actually the GP Safety. GP Safety will be a mobile app that will enable us to send an alert to the nearest law enforcer on our current location at any time. So using a global positioning system and interactive maps, so they can easily respond and even track those in need at any time. So if you're someone who's willing to help our people, so come and join me. So let's save life and let's save life because one step at a time. So.
Good evening, I'm Ian and my project is called Close By. So 99.6% of businesses here are small businesses. Unfortunately, I've run a small business. I have a challenge of bringing people in to my store. So my idea is called Close By. It's a location-based app that will allow users to be alerted of stores, deals, coupons that match their profile. So I call it LLD. Location, D is for data, and L is for loyalty. Hopefully, it will help small businesses gain more traffic, and of course, develop our country. What do I need? I need cash, basically. I need designers, I need developers, but most of all, to invoke my man Steve, I need the crazy ones, the guys who want to change the world one app at a time. Thank you and good evening.
Good evening, my name is Albert and I want to pitch my idea called the Learning Hub. What I found is that school didn't teach me everything. There are special skill sets that I want to learn, like that aren't easily available, like how to be a popular blogger, how to use the hula hoop, how to prune bonsai trees, how to landscape my garden. And then for some of you might have specific skill sets that you want to share, whether it's how to file taxes, how to do your accounting, whatever. So the Learning Hub is a website that brings these 2 together. If you sign up for the website, you can find out what classes are available in your area, or if you're a teacher, you can post or promote your class. You can even post reviews about the classes that you just attended, or you can upload a preview video. And essentially what I need is someone who can help me develop the website and also do fellow entrepreneurs and marketers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jerky. Basically, it's necessary for every relationship to have an open one. To be open to each other. In a sense, to establish trust. Likewise, it should be with the government and the citizens. There should be an open, informed relationship. So our app would be a government window. Basically, what this would do is to provide for information of the government activities, a lot of polls that would help the participation of the citizens towards the government, and allocation of funds that are not really shown to the public. So what we aim for is transparency between the government and the citizens, for a better and a harmonious growth for every country. Thank you.
As we're taking hands-on, NFC possesses a lot of possibilities. Its beneficiaries ranges from ABC to XYZ. Imagine you're overslept for 2 years, and all of the stores are supporting only NFC-based payments. And the only thing that you have with you is your phone and bills. Worry no more, because what we're planning is to infuse NFC-enabled payments along with publicly available machines that has services such as prepaid loading, document printing, and pre-web surfing. We call this catalyst Project KO. KO will help you to convert your cash into NFC virtual money without the need to enroll in any system. On top of every KO, there are displays that will play advertisements. That's one of the ways where the profit comes in. What we need is developers that has experience with hardware interfacing, marketers with huge networks, and artists that will see KO as a canvas. Once again, guys, this is Project Kiosk in One. I'm Ragnar from Tech, guys. Good evening.
Good evening, I'm Arvin, and I'm a developer lead on US Auto Parts. So basically, I would like to mine and sell data. Example, we have a lot of big websites like that sells items like Sulit, eBay, PC, Multiply. So there are power sellers on those sites. So they need to be competitive. So how do they be competitive? We will mine the prices on every website, and we will sell those on those power sellers. They will sell more because they will be more competitive on across all sites. So basically, I need developers and a business guy. So thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Joren, as a graduating student from University of Makati. Our proposed system is SciTech, which is called the Hypertext Generator. This application enables to lock files and decrypt and encrypt files. For example, for us students, we use mostly Facebook accounts and can be hacked by other users. So we propose this system to automatically lock files, pictures, or whatever you call it. We use to encrypt and decrypt files. Thank you.
Hello, people. Good evening. My name is Brian, and I started 2 startups already. One is 98 Labs, which is a software development shop. The second is a shop that collects, is a means for collecting or unifying payments for online games. My idea is to have an app that would allow people to ask celebrities to do something for a fee, and then we would crowdsource that ask. So, and then the pot will basically grow and grow, and then the money would be divided into categories like mostly to charity, basically. So imagine Piolo Pascual asking Piolo Pascual to run naked somewhere, and then for 1 million pesos, and then that's it.
I'm Aris Villani. I'm the CTO of Mega Mobile, a subsidiary of the acquired group of companies. My application is Usila. Maybe it's best if I just showed you because it's actually running already. So it's beyond the prototype stage. Basically, what you can do is you can organize events just like the one we're holding right now. Maybe it's best if I just showed you, so I don't have time to really explain it. But maybe if your camera can take a shot here. It's actually for the Philippine Ad Congress, which will be held soon, and it's live. So the idea here is it's a web app. Anybody can create its own web event, and everybody can come there. What I need are actually back-end developers and WebKit application developers. Thank you.
My name is Lizelle Buenaventura. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. I'm basically tackling the problem of finding people interested in similar hobbies and finding similar times and dates and venues to do them. I mean, I'm sure we've all got our niche hobbies or extreme sports that none of our usual friends want to join us doing. So I want to get people to join a website. It's kind of like a social network. But the driving purpose of it is to put groups of people in touch with each other so they can get together, form book clubs, wall climb, etc., etc. Users should be able to post open events according to sport, hobby, or interest. I'm a front-end person and I do user interface as well. So I'm looking to group with programmers, business and marketing people, basically anyone who's interested in polishing the website with me. Yeah, it's called Hobby Mesh.
My name is Arnold Gamboa. It always breaks my heart whenever I see kids here in the Philippines featured on TV with hydrocephalus who needs health care. Whenever we see that, we want to donate, but tomorrow, the next day, we totally forget about when and where we can drop our donation. But what if we can gather all these kids who need some health care and place it in a particular hub, a website, and we can gather all the Filipinos all over the world and group together and finance the health care of these particular kids. It will bring these kids into and provide them with a good health care. So this startup needs a web designer who can help me build this.
Hi, good evening. I'm Oscar. My company is Bestest Agri Solutions Incorporated. So why Agri Solutions? First and foremost, our next problem by 2020 is our food supply. That's according to UN, FAO, and our Department of Agriculture. So there's not a lot of IT integration with the agriculture industry. So that's why I propose my product is to create a system for agriculture, an IT system that could help our agriculture. One that is traceability, and second is farm mapping system or farm system integration, and third is also the. So what I need are web developers who can help me, and also web developers and also who have knowledge in mobile applications. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm a software developer, and I also happen to be the world's lousiest gift giver. So, you can often see me running around the mall, trying to find the last-minute gift for a party or something. So my startup idea is called Gift Nagger. It's a system that can remind me when there's a special occasion that I need to buy a gift for. And if I can think of any gift to buy, the system would recommend something based on the relationship and also my budget, and possibly even give me some discount coupons. Okay, so that's my idea. It's Gift Nagger. I'm looking for someone to help me write the business plan. So preferably someone with experience in marketing or advertising. And developers are also welcome. Thank you.